YouTube, Darktanman, back at it again, today with more content. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to morph into Karen and tell you what I do not like about the Aventon Cordoba single-speed fixed-gear bike. So welcome. I am no longer Darktan. I am Karen in this video. I'm about to give you the spill on things I don't like about this bike, okay? So I've had this bike for about a month or so. Plenty of time for me to break it in, get a feel for it, see if I actually like it or not. And I really love it. So I'm not taking anything away from the bike with this video, because I'm not sending it back. I do have the receipt still, and I'm not going to sell it on Facebook Marketplace, all right? Just to give you a couple ideas on what to look out for when you get ready to make your purchase or when you actually look into it. But other than these few things, it's a great bike. I love it, and I don't see myself selling it in the near future or far future. But there's just a few things to look out for that I noticed over the last 4 weeks or so. So on this bike, one thing I noticed, there's no pre-drilled mounting hose for like a water bottle holder. So none here or none here on the main frame bar here, okay? And so what I did was I had to go get a universal mounting cage and with Velcros, okay? So we're going to Velcro. There's been mixed reviews on the Velcro, so I'm going to try it out for a week or so, see how I feel about it. If not, I'm probably going to change and maybe get a clip, which has an adapter where you screw it in to tighten it up. But I'm going to try the cheap universal bike cage first, see how that works, and then go from there. One thing I also noticed off the bat, that the default pedals are pretty small, which is understandable because you want to make the bike light as possible, so I get it. But what I did in order to make a modification of that is I have a bigger foot, so I went ahead and got some cages. I switched the default pedals out with some cages, just a step right behind some clips. I'm not ready to clip in yet, so I went and got the cages, and it feels really good. I may never even ever go to full clip in, just depends on my future goals. But right now, the cages work really well for me, and I enjoy it a lot better than just the default pedals without any cages. Third thing I noticed as well is that the handlebars, maybe just because my shoulders are a little bit wider, are really narrow, but that's an easy modification to make as well. I still have the default handlebars on, but if you have wider shoulders as I do, you might want to consider getting some different handlebars that are a little bit wider, maybe make it a little bit more comfortable. Other than that, it's not a big deal for me, so I still am able to perform really well when I ride this bike, keep up with other cyclists who have gears. No gears, baby.
No gears, baby.
No major gripe at all. Those are just a few things that I noticed right off the bat. I may notice more, hopefully not, but just in general, those are not deal breakers for me, but they may be for you, so I want to get this information out to you just so you're aware ahead of time, all right? Feel free to leave all feedback in the comments. Make sure you like this video if you got some value from it, as well as subscribe if you're already not subscribed, and look out for more videos on the way, all right?